Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. 1974 Mgb Roadster. This is the car we have on offer today. Tartan red, black trim, black top and top boot. 4-speed with overdrive, spline drive MINILITE alloys. It's fitted with these early tail lights you see here, which are nice and slim and attractive. This car we purchased recently from the Pacific Northwest. We bought it with in conjunction with the other car there. We bought them as a pair, so they both came from a really fastidious owner that loved his MGBs. So we bought this lovely pair of cars here. But this car is really exciting to drive. It's got a fast road cam fitted. It's fitted with these 15-inch MINILITE alloys. Very expensive wheel set here. Great restoration on this car. Excellent newer paint, chrome, windshield, interior. Just a really lovely car overall. Not much at all going on with the body work. There's just a very light, a light ding there on the body. A couple chips around the doors and the rockers. You can see down low there, just a couple little chips. I think that's wax there. Yeah, it is. Really lovely body on this car. A little chip there, I believe. Yeah, just a little chip there on the fender, but and then there's a little hairline crack on the hood here, which is real slight, but but besides that, a spectacular, really attractive looking MGB. It's got the Mark I grille fitted, but last year for the chrome bumpers. So yeah, there's another little ding right here, another little tiny chip, but you can tell the car was restored recently, but used a little bit. I just took this car for a drive. Very quick car with a cam fitted. Great mechanicals. It's a very fast car that you can push around the bends, especially with these strong, lightweight wheel set with these high-end sports tires, these Bridgestone Potenzas. So that's really nicely sorted out. Interior, very nice, original interior on the car. The speedo reads 74,000, which we believe is the original mileage. Dash and steering wheel's in nice condition. There is a crack here that needs a repair, which can be fixed for a couple $100. We've got a guy that can do that, so that's not really a big issue. Original sun visor set. Seats have been reupholstered. The car's been recarpeted. It's had a new top, and this is the original top boot in excellent condition. Really lovely paint and chrome. In here we can see it got painted here all in the original tartan red color. Jack, tools, spare wire wheel and tire. But really nice car. If you're looking for a really lovely, fast, reliable MGB, this is a good little car to consider. Let's take a look in the engine compartment here. Yeah, under here they did a nice restoration, so they still they stripped and painted all the engine compartment tartan red, so that's very impressive. Engine appears to be rebuilt, all detailed and painted in the correct moss maroon. Pretty nice and tidy under here. It is fitted with an extra electric fan just as a precaution, and that's been wired into like a relay there. So high performance, like K&N style air filters fitted from Moss Motors. Detailed, everything nice under here, nicely detailed and presentable. It just needs the lower hood pad fitting there. This one here just needs a little re-gluing, but that's real simple. That's like a $10 repair. So yeah, great engine compartment, nicely detailed, restored like the rest of the car. But like I said, great body on this car, excellent panel fit with very nice paint finish with only just a couple small little blems or scratches. All new chrome, new wheels, new tires, restored interior. I believe this windshield's a triplex replacement. That's in fairly nice condition. There's another look at that beautiful wheel and tire set. So yeah, there it is. It's a 1974 final year for the chrome bumpered MGB. This is a convertible roadster model. 4-speed wire wheels. I mean, 4-speed with overdrive. It originally was a wire wheel car, but it's now fitted with this spline drive MINILITE alloy setup. Tartan red, black trim, black top boot. Excellent restored car with a fast road camshaft fitted. Goes very well. You can see me driving it preceding this video. It's for sale right now on our website. It comes from a great home in the Pacific Northwest. www.kurttannermotorcars.com.